Good morning guys, what's up everyone? I hope everyone is okay with the grace of Almighty Allah, and I'm so. And I'm gonna share with you some things today. A few days ago, our Honorable Director Sir, Sir Mohammad Selim Reza, asked me a question. Siam, is Bangladesh is developing in ICT properly? I told Sir that, Sir, I will give this answer to you a few days later. Then I came back to home and I thought very deeply, is Bangladesh really developing in ICT? Yeah, Bangladesh is developing with so much sector, but in IT sector, Bangladesh is really developing or not? I thought very deeply, I thought whole night with this topic, that is Bangladesh really developing or not? Then I found some answers and I found some topic. Then I'm gonna share with you that answer. Just I told Sir that, why Sir, I will tell it just to you. Just I will share it with my whole audience, with your audience, and with my friends or others with this video, and I'm gonna share with you now. Okay, we live in ICT based society, but I would like to ask a question. Living in ICT based society, can we use our ICT devices properly? Can we use? Does our parents allow to use ICT devices properly? Please answer it. Okay, I am giving the answer. No, we can't use our ICT device properly because our parents, they don't allow to use these devices properly. Although we are living in ICT based society, but they live in a dark society, they live in the old society, so they can't allow us to use ICT devices. And in this pandemic situation, we need a mobile phone to class in online, but we can't do it because we do not have mobile phone. Our parents thinks that we are not properly aged to use mobile phone, and when I just go to my mom and say to my mom, please mom, buy me a good mobile phone please, I need to join the online class. So my mom just say that you do not need to join to online classes, and I will not buy you a phone. You just go to your private teacher. But I just asked to my mom, in this pandemic situation, does our teachers can teach us properly in their house, maintaining social distance? Then my mom just say that I am more intelligent than you, and you can study with your teacher, and your teacher can give you proper teaching also. But we can't go to teachers home this situation, but they can't understand it. They just think only that we are doing bad in mobile phone. And I think that Bangladesh will never develop in ICT as long as the people of Bangladesh fall in dark, stay in dark. They have to overcome from the dark because we need it. We have to use ICT, but they can't understand it. So I am just giving the answer. No, we are not developing in ICT. Although our government is developing, they just do everything in online, but we don't. Why we don't? Because of our social members, because of our parents, they just can't allow us. If I use mobile phone in our house, when some people see that we are using mobile phone in our house, they just say that you are using whole day using mobile phone, you are just completing whole day using mobile phone, what you do? But they just don't try to think it's very important, and we and our student generation and our young generation, we need to use it. And they think that only using Facebook is just a bad thing, but we have to use Facebook, because some schools they just upload their classes to Facebook. Some schools they upload their classes on YouTube, or they just join online classes using Zoom app, and and most of the schools they just join with the Zoom app, but we can't because we do not have mobile phone. So when the students are the future of our country, and the students do not know how to use ICT, how we can say that in Bangladesh ICT is developing in Bangladesh? How you can say? Although our government is developing, they just inspire us. They just can inspire us, but they just can't inspire our parents. I will just say that when the government can able to inspire our parents, they just can able to allow our parents giving us a mobile phone or a laptop or computer, our ICT will be developed that day. And when our parents will overcome, then our ICT will be overcome. ICT development will overcome. So there is one answer. There is one answer of that question: is Bangladesh developing in ICT? I will just say no. Bangladesh is not developing in ICT. Actually, this is totally my personal opinion. There is no third party hand with this answer, and I just didn't take help from Google or didn't get help from any newspaper. So this is totally my personal opinion. So please share your opinion in the comment box below, and I hope that everyone can understand what I am trying to say, and what I'm against of that question that Bangladesh is not developing in ICT. Thank you so much, honorable audience. I would like to finish my speech right here, and stay blessed, stay happy, stay cool, and stay home.